It's important to know the answer to this question. What should I do if I'm in a car wreck in South Carolina and it's not my fault? Well, the first thing you do after any wreck that you're involved in is to make sure that everybody's okay. Get everybody to safety if you possibly can. Next thing you need to do is call 911, report it, and seek immediate medical attention for everyone who's injured. After you've had a little bit of time to get situated, you want to gather as much information as you possibly can. You certainly want to know the at-fault driver, the driver who hit you. You want to know their name. You want to know their telephone number. You want to know their address. Even get their driver's license number. And you certainly want to know their insurance information, the name of their insurance company, their policy number if you can get it. And you want to do the same thing for the witnesses. Any witnesses, you want to write down what they saw. You want their name, you want their telephone number, and you want their address. Next thing you want to do is you want to take photos. You want to take photos when it's practical of the injuries as close to when the accident happened as you possibly can. And you want to write down the important facts because over time people tend to forget. Once all of that is done, you want to contact your insurance company. You want to contact the at-fault driver, the person who hit you. You want to contact their insurance company and you want to report a claim. If you have health insurance, if you have Medicare, Medicaid, or VA benefits, you want to provide that information to your medical providers so that they can file a claim with them so that your medical bills get paid while you're treating. It may take a fairly long time before you recover money, so you want to make sure that these bills are paid as you go along so that they don't try to collect and they don't report you to a credit bureau. Something that I always recommend to people is that you show up for traffic court, whether you've been ticketed or whether the person who hit you's been ticketed. You want to make sure that the case is not dismissed. And if the case is something more than just a minor impact where nobody's really injured, where there's no real damage to your car, I suggest that you always contact a personal injury attorney who handles these types of cases on a regular basis.